Welcome back to my vlog. Today is Sunday and Easter, so everybody happy. Great Easter. Today I will definitely do some curtain work. You can see I haven't done that yet. I just postponed that. There are so many important things I have to get done instead of doing the curtain stuff. But I feel like I should do that because sometimes I'm really embarrassed and worried about some people watch my naked body when I'm changing my clothing. So I will definitely do, but I don't know how to do that. We have a drill at home, so I'm just gonna figure out how to do that. There are so many resources. I can get some information like from my roommate or from the internet, so I'm gonna do that. And editing, definitely, because I already filmed some videos, so I'm gonna edit that to upload on Monday. I wanna write journals. Let me show you. I just wanna check my diary. This is my beautiful diary. So I'm just gonna check my today's plan. I'm gonna journaling about my belief system and my thought pattern, and I just want to write down all the new belief system I want to believe about myself and life in general. I also want to make a morning affirmation kind of thing to make myself feel better in the morning, because I heard that the brain is most active and absorb all the information in the morning, so I just want to feed my brain before starting my day, so I can practice that every day morning. That's my journaling time and curtains journaling. And yesterday I was struggling to get a new tumbler. I told you guys I broke 2 glass bottles for using that to bring some coffee to my workplace, so I really need a tumbler. But unfortunately the tumbler I thought I want to get, the lid is not cover the whole tumbler. That's just like a mug cup. Yeah, the weather is still like not that perfectly sunny, but it gets better because yesterday it was raining. And I'm ready to enjoy my Easter and all have beautiful, productive, happy day. Hi guys, today is Monday and I filmed 2 videos because I work from Tuesday to Saturday in a row. Today is my off day, so I just filmed because I feel like I won't have enough time to film. I don't want to film in a hurry because it makes me anxious. So construction start. Sometimes it gets worse, sometimes it gets better, but hopefully you guys can understand. Yesterday I told you guys I will do some curtains. I did, so I'm gonna show you. I closed the curtain to show you. How beautiful. Finally I nailed it, and I need light. So yesterday I was so proud of myself because that was freaking hard, because I used drill, driver and hammer to attach the curtain stick thingy. Oh man, that was freaking hard. I felt like I'm a MacGyver. After finishing it, I like so proud of myself. I took photos and I told my mom, I nailed it. I mean, I didn't perfectly do that, but I don't want to be a perfectionist. That's one of my life lessons. If you want to be perfect, I cannot do anything, so I just want to focus on getting things done. I mean, the purpose of the curtain should be not showing my private life. It doesn't look perfect, but that works for the purpose, so I'm pretty happy about that. So my plan is definitely edit as possible as I can. Yeah, and I really want to get the package soon. Pretty excited about it to film and show you guys. I wear a bralette underneath of that, and kind of feel like it's a new earrings, but they are not because I found them in my wardrobe. I didn't know that I bought them, but I also share like some of my interesting earrings, so you can check that. I put the tag here. It also looks like a new clothing, although I wear it quite often because I wear a bralette underneath of this bit. Very creative from the same thing, like a small change. And I also wanna share, I got a new kit because I used eyebrow color as well. I got this powder type, gel type of thing, and I also got a foundation. I used this one, but I almost used it. Maybelline one. I used it like 3 tubes, but I got this new one, Fit Me Hydrate Smooth foundation. There is also another matte version, but I'm not a big fan of matte foundation. So I got this one, and the color is nude beige, but I haven't tried yet. so I'm not sure it's gonna fit on my skin color, but hopefully. The reason why I got it because it's a lot cheaper and I want to try new one. The price is half of the price I showed you guys before, the cheap one. So I'm ready to enjoy my Monday, the first day of week, so why not? See you tomorrow. Hi guys, today is Tuesday and I'm ready to go to my work. Yesterday I had a really good sleep, so I feel amazing right now. And sorry for the construction. The construction starts really early today, and yesterday the weather was amazing, but today the weather is not that great. Like, it's supposed to be raining, but it hasn't been raining, so it's okay. Yeah, and I retouched my nail. I always do, but you know, it's hard to maintain, keep clean. Yeah, I'm ready to enjoy my day and see you tomorrow. Hi guys, today is Wednesday and my voice sounds a little weird because I took a nap like around half an hour. I felt like tired, so I just took a nap. I feel really good. Actually, I wanna like practice my English before going to work, but the best thing I can do right now for me is just take a nap, so I did. Yeah, and I did my hair, my earrings, my makeup, very simple. And I talked to my mom and my grandmother today in Korea. Yeah, the weather gets here a lot better after taking a nap, but while taking a nap, the noise of construction was really heavy. Right now, it's not. They take a break right now. Anyway, I'm ready to enjoy my day and see you tomorrow. Hi guys, today is Thursday and happy Thursday. And I was a little bit upset, but I just accept the feeling. This is I'm trying to accept all the negative feelings. You know, that's part of life, but I want to use that feeling to make myself better. So I'm working on the mindset. The reason why I'm a little frustrated, I showed you guys before this Fit Me foundation, so I used it. I love the color, to be honest, but there's no pump inside of it, so it's kind of hard to apply. I feel like I'm getting used to using this bottle. Yep. Anyway, I also retouched my nail and I didn't feel the best yesterday, but I overcame the feeling and just show up the best version of myself as possible as I can. I know that fluctuates compared to my mood, feelings, or whatever, but I'm just doing my best. I mean, what's the other option? I usually go to gym at 6 o'clock. I didn't know that the gym was closed today till 7 o'clock because of the water hydros. There were so many people actually that were also waiting like me, but they also didn't know what was going on in that gym. So I came back home. Instead of feeling bad about the situation, I just used that time to enjoy the nature in Canada. I almost spend my time at workplace, at home. There are not many opportunities to, you know, just see the nature and breathe the fresh air, but I did my best to enjoy that. And there were so many cute like birds on the street, so yeah, I had a great time. I came back home and I edited some of my vlog footage to load that on Saturday, so it's kind of productive day. Today's gonna be a like work and going back home and sleep, and tomorrow I will work kind of day. There are not many subscribers. Sometimes that makes me really feel down or upset, but I just don't like the feeling like self-pity and comparing myself with others. Like, that kind of negative emotions go spiral, and that makes me feel like I don't have any control in life. I know there are so many things I cannot control in life, but there are some areas I can control. I'm doing my best, not being a victim. Thursday is a happy day because I could drink coconut flavored coffee. Just comment down below and let me know, is there any coconut flavored decaf coffee? That's gonna be awesome. Anyway, I'm ready to enjoy my day and see you tomorrow. Hi guys, today's Friday. I'm ready to go to work. The outside is raining. I don't know, the weather is quite weird in Toronto because yesterday it was really sunny and warm, but today it's raining. And I heard the news that it's gonna be raining for this weekend too, so pretty excited about that. Today I do some kind of orange makeup because I've been doing a lot of like pink face makeup, so I want to give some change. Yeah, so I'm ready to enjoy my day. I just listened to some podcasts to motivate myself because the weather is like not the best. I love sunny weather. Nobody do that for me. Nobody inspired me instead of me, so I did. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, today is Saturday and I'm going to work today. And you know what? It was snowing when I go to gym. Anyway, yesterday I got the package but nobody was at home, so I should go to a place to pick up my package from Korea. I told you guys my mom sent me a package. Canadian system is different. In Korea, they just put that in front of the door, but in Canada, they send back to a specific place I could pick that up. So I'm gonna pick that up on Tuesday because I will work today, tomorrow, on Monday too. So, and I'm definitely gonna film that because I want to share what kind of things my mom sent to me. I should take a Uber. That's like 12 kilograms, so it's impossible to bring that by subway. So before going to work, I'm definitely upload this weekly vlog. My roommate is talking with her family in Korea. Yeah, I hit the grocery shopping because I won't have much time to go grocery shopping because I will work from today to Monday. Yeah, so I'm ready to enjoy my day and see you tomorrow.